Every time you open YouTube, shorts are waiting to pull you into endless scrolling. But there's a simple setting that can stop that, and most people don't even know it exists. Here's how to turn it on in less than 30 seconds. Whether you're using an iPhone or an Android phone, the steps are almost identical. Open the YouTube app. Tap You in the bottom right corner. Next, tap the settings icon in the top right. Select Time Management. On iPhone, it's just below Family Center. On Android, you'll find it below Languages. Now scroll down and you see Shorts Feed Limit. Turn it on, then set the limit to 0 minutes. Go back to the home page and refresh YouTube. You'll notice shorts are no longer being pushed into your feed the same way. And if you try opening the Shorts tab, YouTube will tell you that you've reached your daily Shorts limit, helping you avoid getting trapped in endless scrolling. That's all it takes. If this video helped you, leave a like and subscribe for more quick YouTube tips and hidden features.